Barbie! Hello, Barbie. We're gonna take our plane in the big plane. Wow, that's totally awesome, Batman. Eat Tito's? No thanks, not today, but I would read. Version how you microchip version 3. Awesome. 20 on DSC. Only to micro. Don't break it. Wow, it's so cool, Batman. I just love it. I can't say anything more. It's awesome. Do you want to ride on it? Sure, I'll take a little taxi around, but not actually flying, okay, Batman? Okay. You can sit right there. Get ready for it on the ride. Go, Batman! Let's go, whoa, Batman, nice! Underline. But I think your elevator is much too small for a big plane like your ninja blade. I think your elevator is too small for a big plane. I think it's really big for an airplane. Yeah, my advice is to move it around so I can see. Move your elevator up and down so I can see if it's big enough. Batman, I think I was right. Your elevator is too small. Batman, your elevator is too small. Yep. Move your elevator up and down so I can see if it's big enough. Okay.